17 years of accumulation, above all, inheritance. Over the past 17 years, we have only been committed to one thing. We strive to bring emulsification and filling technology to perfection. For 17 years, our footprint spans the globe. From domestic to global markets, every step we take is firm and resolute. Our next stop, Vietnam Beauty Show, exported to over 60 countries, partnering with clients worldwide. Behind these figures lie daily dedication and mutual trust. 17 years of passing the torch. Veteran staff stay true to our original aspiration. New team members carry on and thrive. Endless passion passed down generation after generation for an ever-growing, enduring team.